Hello, guys. As you know, myself, Mohsin Hassan. So today my topic is about how to use VLOOKUP under the financial domain or to manage financial cycle. Without any delay, we're just going to our spreadsheet or Excel form. Here I have a huge data set. I have the Excel sheet, which consists multiple spreadsheets. First tab is home. Home means the home consists complete accounting cycle. I have briefly mentioned here. So the other spreadsheet is named with COA. Chart of accounts, I have detailed chart of accounts here like the COA name, category, reporting type. The third is journal entry. We just start because we just talking about in this video only the how to use VLOOKUP. So I'm just removing it. I just delete it. My first criteria, how journal entry. When I mention the account name or account detail, I want the category auto paired. For this purpose, I need to implement or insert the formula here. I choose VLOOKUP for this purpose. First of all, I just press equal, then mention the formula VLOOKUP appeared, and just press that tab. Look, the formula appeared. So first, lookup value formula required the VLOOKUP value. Lookup value. So first I select the value. What value? This one. Once this value, the VLOOKUP find. Now the formula required table array. What table array we need? So I will show you the table. We just need to select complete table here. So you can see the complete table we have been selected. Okay, now I just pressed F4. So F4 mean the F4 key basically static the value, the table or array. That's immovable. You can say that with the help of F4, that's value immovable. So or non-variable value. C5 is variable, and the other table array is immovable. So now I just pressed comma. Now column index, where the value is exist. So now what value you required here. So now I require when the cache mention the category auto appeared. So the category where category fall. So I just count the column one, two, three. So I think the category fall in column two. So I just press two, column index number. So column index number, my column in my case the column index number is two. Then I press again comma and press 0. So prox match here, just press, just close the bracket. Now I'm closed the bracket and pressed enter here. Look, the asset auto paired, so I just drag the formula. If you want to verify or re-verify, so you just match the values like supplies. Where are the supplies? Supplies are assets here. Supplier falls in asset category, and then we go some equity, contributed capital, equity, contributed capital, equity. So contributed capital is equity. So that's that's it. That's VLOOKUP work. So that's make your operation easier, or you may prepare the flawless, flawless accounting cycle as well with the help of this. So in detail, we just make I just make other video. So now we have detail executed the VLOOKUP formula. So please subscribe my channel for some interesting videos and knowledge. Thank you.